Living well on $30,000 a year, a retiree's budget masterclass. Could you live well on $30,000 a year and still enjoy your life? Many retirees do. Today I will show you a calm, step-by-step plan to stretch every dollar without feeling deprived. Stay with me to the end because I will share the big 3 savings moves that often free up $250 to $300 per month. Hello and welcome to Seniors Smart Money. I am glad you are here. This channel is a gentle place for people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. We keep things simple, respectful, and practical so you can protect your money, reduce stress, and enjoy the life you worked for. Quick warm-up. If 2 short phone calls could save you $600 a year, would you make them? You probably can. I will show you how a little later. Let us set the ground rules. $30,000 per year is about $2,500 per month. Your number may be a little different depending on taxes and where you live, so please adjust as needed. Our goal is not a perfect spreadsheet. Our goal is a calm routine that works every month. We will use a simple 4 buckets method. Bucket 1 is essentials. This includes housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Bucket 2 is health and safety. This includes prescriptions, Medicare costs, insurance premiums, and small copays. Bucket 3 is joy and connection. This includes gifts, hobbies, streaming, outings, and anything that brings a smile. Bucket 4 is future you. This includes a small emergency fund in a high-yield savings account and short-term savings in a CD ladder when it fits. Every life is different, so here are 2 gentle snapshots you can copy and adjust. Scenario A is for a homeowner with no mortgage. You might target about 60% to essentials, 15% to health and safety, 10% to joy and connection, and 15% to future you. From a monthly total of $2,500, that could look like this. $450 set aside for property taxes, home insurance, and maintenance. $220 for utilities and internet. $350 for groceries and household basics. $220 for transportation and auto insurance. $300 for health premiums and out-of-pocket costs. $50 for a senior phone plan. $250 for joy and connection, $300 to savings in a high-yield account or a short CD ladder. Scenario B is for a renter. Try to keep rent near 40 to 45% if possible. From $2,500, that might look like this: $1,050 for rent, $220 for utilities and internet, $360 for groceries and household basics, $220 for transportation and auto insurance, $300 for health premiums and out-of-pocket costs, $50 for a senior phone plan, $150 for joy and connection, $130 for future you. If your numbers do not fit yet, do not worry. We will create space with simple savings moves. Please take a moment and think about which bucket creates the most stress for you. That is where your first win will happen. Let us begin with housing and utilities because they anchor everything. If you have rooms you rarely use, consider right-sizing to a smaller space. A smaller home can lower utilities, home insurance, and maintenance. If moving does not feel right, you might consider a trusted housemate or a seasonal renter, if that fits your comfort level and local rules. Even $300 per month changes the entire plan. Ask your local tax office about senior property tax relief programs. Many areas offer exemptions or deferrals that lower your bill. If you rent, ask about senior housing resources and waitlists that may reduce rent in the future. Utilities respond to small habits. Set your thermostat to a smart level, for example, 68 in winter and 78 in summer if that feels comfortable. Replace old bulbs with LED, fix small water leaks, add weather strips on drafty doors. Call your utility about budget billing and senior discounts. Ask for a free energy efficiency checkup if your area offers it. Now groceries, without sacrificing nutrition. Food is one of the best places to save without feeling it. Build a short list of 10 simple meals you enjoy and rotate them. Use store brands for staples such as rice, beans, oats, frozen vegetables, and canned tomatoes. Buy protein on sale, portion it, and freeze it. Cook once and eat twice by making a little extra for tomorrow's lunch. Use senior discount days and digital coupons if you enjoy them, but do not feel pressure to chase every deal. Join a community center or faith group that offers shared meals. This reduces loneliness and reduces waste. Healthy aging on a budget is very possible with a little planning. Health and prescriptions deserve a careful look because surprises here can upset a budget. Review your Medicare plan every year during open enrollment. Match your medications to the plan's drug list. Ask your doctor about generics when they are safe, and ask about 90-day supplies. Compare pharmacy prices before you buy. Many people save by using a preferred pharmacy or a mail order option. Try telehealth for simple issues when it is appropriate and covered because it can reduce travel and copays. Keep a small health buffer inside your high-yield savings account to cover glasses, dental cleanings, and routine copays. If this video is helpful so far, please like it so more seniors can find it. And subscribe to Senior Smart Money for calm guidance every week. Thank you for supporting this community. Transportation and insurance are next. If you drive fewer miles now, call your auto insurer and ask about low mileage pricing and safe driver discounts. Reshop your auto policy once a year. Group errands to cut fuel use. Keep your tires at the recommended pressure for safety and better mileage. Ask your city about senior transit passes or community shuttles if those fit your routine. Phone and internet can be two quick wins. Call your internet provider and politely ask for a loyalty rate or a senior rate. Ask if a smaller speed tier would still stream your shows. Remove equipment rentals or add-ons you do not use. Then call your mobile provider and switch to a light data senior plan if you rarely stream outside the home. Many viewers save $20 to $40 per month with these two calls. Now let us protect every dollar with a smart banking setup, because fintech tools can make life easier. Open a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Automate a small transfer on the day your income arrives. Even $20 per month builds momentum. Consider a short CD ladder for money you will not need for 6 to 18 months. If you like credit cards and pay in full each month, consider a simple cashback card for groceries and gas. Turn on alerts in your banking app, such as low balance, large transaction, and deposit received. Turn on two-factor authentication for your bank and email. If you are not applying for new credit, consider a credit freeze with the major bureaus to block identity theft. These small steps are powerful fraud prevention tools. Joy and connection matter. A happy budget includes fun on purpose, so you do not overspend by accident. Place a small amount in a fun envelope each month. Enjoy coffee with a friend, a senior matinee, or a class at the community center. Use your library for books, movies, workshops, and free events. Look for free museum days in your area. Consider volunteering because it adds purpose and reduces the urge to shop for entertainment. Here is a 30-second challenge. Open your wallet or your phone and look for one membership card or subscription you did not use last month. Place it on the table. We will cancel it in a minute. It is time for the big 3 savings moves. These create breathing room fast. Move 1. Reshop insurance once a year. Compare home and auto together if possible. Many people see a 15 to 20% reduction when they change or adjust coverage. Even a modest change can save $150 to $300 per year, and larger changes can save more. Ask about safe driver programs and loyalty credits. Move 2. Negotiate internet and mobile. Ask for a retention offer, remove extras, and match a competitor price if one exists. Savings of $20 to $40 per month are common. If you bundle services, check that each piece is something you actually use. Move 3. Do a prescription checkup. Ask about generics, compare prices at 2 pharmacies, and switch to 90-day fills if safe and covered. Savings of $20 to $60 per month are common, and sometimes more. If a medicine is expensive, ask your doctor about patient assistance programs. When several small wins stack together, it is common to free up $250 to $300 per month. That space can flow straight into your future you bucket for peace of mind. If you enjoy light work and want even more room, consider a small side income that respects your energy. 8 to 10 hours a week can make a nice difference. Ideas include tutoring a subject you know, pet sitting, seasonal work at a local shop, friendly phone support from home, or selling a craft or a skill. Choose only what feels safe and enjoyable. Here is a simple 24-hour action plan you can start today. Step 1. Print last month's bank and card statements. Highlight anything that repeats every month or every year. Cancel one unused subscription today. Step 2. Call your internet or mobile provider and ask for a loyalty rate. If the first person cannot help, kindly ask to speak with customer retention. Step 3. Open or confirm your high-yield savings account and set a $20 automatic transfer on the day your income arrives. Small steps create big peace of mind. Let us recap. We used 4 buckets to build a calm plan. We looked at 2 monthly snapshots you can copy and adjust. You learned how to trim housing and utilities with energy efficiency steps, how to shop food smartly without losing nutrition, and how to manage health costs with prescription savings and telehealth when appropriate. You saw how to reduce insurance and phone bills, how to set up banking with alerts, 2-factor authentication, and identity theft protection, and how to keep room for joy. You also received a simple action plan you can complete in one day. You do not have to do everything at once. Choose one small step this week. Make 1 phone call. Cancel 1 subscription. Set 1 automatic transfer. Each small action protects your retirement and builds your confidence. If today's masterclass helped, please like this video and subscribe to Senior Smart Money for weekly, senior-friendly guides. Share this with a friend who is living on a fixed income and wants a calm plan that works. Next time, we will cover starting over at 65, financial recovery after life changes. You will get clear checklists for debt, income, and emergency planning with steps you can take in the first 7 days. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I appreciate you. I wish you good health, steady confidence, and a budget that supports the life you love. Important note before we close. This video is educational. It is not personal financial, medical, or tax advice. Everyone's situation is unique. Please speak with a qualified professional who understands your needs before making big decisions. Take good care, and I will see you in the next video.